Tipton is recognized for 1 minute.
I'd like to thank the Chairman and the Ranking Member for holding this hearing. Preserving consumer access to mainstream banking services is certainly an important topic and should continue to be a consistent bipartisan goal of this committee. I would also like to thank the witnesses for taking the time to be able to appear before the subcommittee today. Your expertise is invaluable as we discuss these legislative proposals. H.R. 6162, the Protect Prepaid Accounts Act, is a legislative relief effort I introduced to clarify that prepaid funds deposited in an insured depository institution satisfy the requirements of the primary purpose exclusion to the definition of a deposit broker. As a result of a 2014 revision to deposit broker regulations, the FDIC has determined the primary purpose exception applies only infrequently to prepaid products and typically requires a specific request for a determination by the FDIC. Unfortunately, the practical impact of this conclusion is an increase in deposit insurance costs to any depository institution that operates a prepaid program. Inevitably, this also leads to an increase in costs and less choices for consumers as banks commit additional resources to compliance rather than to their customers. Prepaid products are an incredibly important tool utilized by numerous organizations, including state and federal government agencies, as well as universities and corporations, to make a variety of disbursements to consumers. Importantly, prepaid card users include 67 million Americans considered unbanked and underbanked. Mistakenly classifying prepaid accounts as brokered deposits may force depository institutions to drop their programs, impacting students, workers, and government benefit recipients that all rely on prepaid products to access the financial system. This legislation will ensure that financial institutions will be able to devote their time to their customers. The most financially vulnerable Americans will continue to have safe and reliable access to their money. Again, Mr. Chairman, I thank you for this hearing and look forward to our comments from our committee, and I yield back.
I thank the gentleman. Now the